guys, so we just came back from the store and I went to go look for stuff to organize my closet and they didn't have nothing, so I have to go back tomorrow. I'm gonna see if they have anything. But we went to Target and Walmart. Hey guys, so we are now taking the stuff out of the closet and we're gonna be attempting, because I don't even know, it's 7 o'clock right now, we're gonna try to take everything out. So yeah, we went to Lowe's, actually we went to Walmart, they didn't have it, Target didn't have it, so we found it at Home Depot, which was cheaper than Lowe's, so we went there. Hopefully we can get it done by tonight, I don't know, but yeah. That is heavy.
Tell us how much you care about my safety. Yo, I don't want you to break it.
Okay guys, so this is where we at right now. My family helped me cut the metal rods because my closet is actually smaller than I thought. And now we're up to that step to add the rods to each side, and we'll see how that goes. Hey guys, so I don't even know which day we're on at this point. This has become a week. This has become a week process, but we're getting there. We're about to go to the store now because the paint inside my closet looks disgusting. So we're gonna look for a wallpaper to put back there before we put up the rest of the closet, and that's what we're about to do now. I forgot to record. Yeah, so like I said, we had to go buy the wallpaper. We went to Target. We didn't do this side because we ran out of wallpaper. Babe! This is what we got so far. I'm about to put the 2 rods on this side. Please ignore this ugly wall. I'm gonna probably find more wallpaper or just paint it. This is my room. Whew. I can't believe all this stuff was in my closet. Like, so many shoes. For what? And then this is my giveaway pile. More giveaway out here.
I'm looking right at you, but you're not there. I'm seeing right past you.
Oh my goodness. Last shelf. And then this closet. This is a really bad angle. Wow. Then this closet is complete. Where is the shelf? Oh, it's right. Okay, so now that everything is set up, I am going to load all my clothes in here, hopefully by 11:30, because I'm trying to go to sleep at 12. So
Head on your chest, babe, but your heart is so quiet. We used to talk all night long. Now we laying in silence. Your arms around me, but your soul is somewhere else. Gone so long, and I know you so well. I know that.
So I got these 2 shelves here and here. I put, and I just put my extra shoes on the shelves. So that's how it's looking right now. I'm still gonna figure out what I want here, but right now I just have my file folders. Excuse my nails. Okay, I have my file folders there and my binders there, and up there I just have an extra box and notebooks. And here I put blankets and just another. Oh, it's actually the directions to how to build this. And then on this side I have all my dresses. I tried to color coordinate, have it start at white and then go to gray and black and colors back here. Yeah, I tried. And then on this little hanger here I have my hat, and then I have my umbrella hanging up, and then I have my belts over there. And I didn't end up painting these walls here just because the clothes cover it anyway. And then on this side I have sweaters and shirts. Let's see. Sweaters and shirts. I try to color coordinate again with white, black, and then again colors over here. Then I bought this this scarf holder. It's shaped like a diamond. It's cute. And I just hung up all my scarves and head wraps, and I have my extra hangers there. And then behind this I have my ring light and running shoes and my shower shoes that I use in college, because nobody, you know how it is. On this upper shelf I have my jackets, like fall jackets and blazers, and that's pretty much it for my closet, y'all. It took, how long did it take? I think around 5 to 6 days to do this, but we also ran into a whole bunch of problems too. But otherwise, I'm really happy with how it came out. It looks so much better than before. Before my closet was really looking crazy, and now I can actually see everything. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have a great day, night, wherever you're at, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.